The post-harvest phase of the agricultural cycle for a farmer plays a critical role in getting the right price for the produce. The hurdle right now is the lack of value realization for the small and marginal farmers. Solving two critical needs, credit and warehousing, is the agri-tech startup Arya that's integrating the agri-value chain.
Founded in 1982 as Arya Collateral Services and managed by shipping agency JM Baxi, Arya became a separate entity in 2013. That's when Prasanna and his colleagues at ICICI Bank, the startup's only client, took over as co-founders. They realized that banks provide financial help to only a third of India's farmers, while the majority of small farmers remain unserved. Providing a whole host of post-harvest services, Arya is on the path to simplifying agri-business by moving from just a production-based economy to a market-oriented economy.
Our basic thought is that we generate the maximum value from each grain that is stored in the country. And we operate a large number of warehouses in the country. We also offer finance against the commodities that are stored in our warehouses. We help farmers sell the produce to a large number of entities, and all of this is done through a digital platform which is a2zgodam.com.
Arya provides the biggest warehousing facilities available closest to the farmer's vicinity, fumigation and quality test and assessment. Apart from stock audits, consultation on post-harvest value chain and farm linkages, Arya also financially empowers farmers through loan disbursements from its own NBFC.
We first operate in the smaller primary and secondary agriculture centers in the country, and probably we are the only company which does that. And what we have proven over the last 6 years of our existence is that today we are the largest warehousing player in the country, whereby we operate more than 1800 warehouses in these smaller locations. So the first thing that we do is to provide an option to the farmer or a farmer organization to be able to store their produce at a warehouse which is closest to them, which is closest to the farm gate. Now the commodities, when the grains come into our warehouse, they come in bags, and what we do there is to draw samples to verify the quality of the produce. And we just not only do this through traditional norms or traditional methods, we also use artificial intelligence to carry out quality assessments. Now, after using a technology as advanced as artificial intelligence, the quality report of that particular produce is transferred electronically with the use of IoT and other tools to our central system. Post which, what we do is that we convert the commodity into an electronic balance. Now, it is like money in a bank account. So similarly, the electronic balance can then be either used to just store the produce in our warehouse, can be offered as security for a loan that can be availed by that same farmer, or can be put up on our platform for sale.
For us, the central nervous system is the warehouse. So warehouse act as a critical part because it facilitates the storage. It helps in the preservation of commodities which restrict the post-harvest losses to the farmers or the depositors. We have Arya Dhan Finance, which has been envisaged or with an endeavor to lend to people who are storing these commodities, especially in the primary and the secondary market where the access to finance is limited, especially through the institutional finance like the banks or the large NBFCs.
Arya has a storage capacity of 2.5 million metric tons with 1,800 warehouses across the country. Their platform has an additional 1,500 storage networks that provide facilities at strategic locations. However, the company plans to take their self-storage capacity to 3 million metric tons this year and 5 million metric tons going forward.
So we need to give freedoms to the farmers from distresses. We need to give them the freedom of when to sell. We need to give them a freedom to whom to sell. So that's for me is an Atmanirbhar.
Their newly launched online warehousing platform A to Z Godam will help farmers, farmer producers organizations, that is FPOs, and other value chain stakeholders to access warehouses and other post-harvest services at the click of a button. On this online platform, users can choose other ancillary services like finance, transportation, labor, quality testing, and commodity preservation services. They can also sell their stored produce on the platform by accessing multiple buyers who get a complete assurance on quality.
While we face the challenges of COVID, but what it has shown to us is the possibility of using technology to deepen the reach. What needs to be done to be able to leverage this advantage is that, one, to deepen the reach of digital technology and internet connectivity through greater digital inclusion of farmers.
ARIA is transforming the agri sector in a positive way by giving the freedom to the farmer to earn the right value for their hard work.
In urban areas, for example, if today I need a loan or I need any service, I have it at my doorstep. Now that is what makes me self-reliant. That is what makes me not dependent on anybody else. So I think the day we are able to do that for the smallest of the farmer in the most remotest part of the country, that is when I think we would achieve the objective of Atmanirbharta. And that's what I think ARIA Collateral really endeavors to do.